house shopping again today.
Looks like they dropped the price $11,000. So.
Does it show when it was last sold?
Gosh.
That's not important right now.
Yeah, it hasn't been sold since 2010.
2010. Okay,
Yeah.
got it. Thank you. All right, so this is a rather large old house. I'm willing to bet somebody just passed away in here, because they just had an estate sale. So obviously there has been nothing done here in a very long time. But it's a huge square footage. It's really almost like it's a duplex almost. And they have this little kind of mother-in-law house situation, which is, oh my god, this is trashed the F out. Ain't nobody gonna be living in there. Let's see. Look at that paint. Look at that 100-year-old paint. Very old-timey garage. Model T garage. Who the heck is sitting out here on this thing by themselves being all weird? So yeah, they say this place has a basement, which I'm guessing there's some, but the entryways from the outside, they said. Maybe it's like one of those storm shelter things. I'm guessing that would be it right there. Oh no, here it is. I don't know how I'm finding these places with basements. I mean, nothing has a basement here. Oh, that stinks. Old concrete sink. That's 100 years old. Oh, nothing but water and damp under here. I'm not even going further. This is an unusable space. Looks like they did put a new deck down here. They probably did this for safety purposes, because it was probably, that looks brand new. They probably put that there just to make it safe enough to sell. Very 70s kitchen. I don't dislike it. It's kind of like two living rooms side by side in a way. And then a full bathroom back here. It's kind of interesting. So this could be like a spare bedroom, I guess. Maybe you could have that as a bedroom.
So do you restore old homes, or?
I do weird things. That's the best way I can describe it.
Oh, okay.
I'm just a weird individual doing weird things.
Okay.
And I like old houses.
Okay.
Oh my god, check out this carpet. Have you seen the carpet up here?
I did.
That is, they don't make that anymore, do they?
They sure don't.
Wow, look at this carpet. Oh my god. Dude. I feel like I would need to take this carpet out and put it in a 70s van just so it didn't go to waste. Alright, so it's kind of nice. Shower here. I don't know why they do this here. They always carpet around the toilets, which is gross, but whatever. Oh my god. This is even better. Look Look at this place. This is like, wow. The carpet is in shockingly good condition given that it's minimum 40 years old. They must have not used these upstairs rooms very much. Wow. This I would say actually has some potential. I mean, it's a major remodel action, but at the end of the day, everything looks pretty intact and not completely demolished. It has an attic that somebody well, it doesn't exactly smell good up here. And I do see some water coming in certain spots, which, yeah, it's not exactly shocking on something this old. Wow, look at this. Full bathroom up here. Wow, that hasn't been used in decades. I mean, really, somebody could live up here. I mean, I really wouldn't want to, but I mean, you could totally live up here. Very interesting. Wow, look at that. Look at this paint. Look at this. That's almost a work of art right there. Just the way that's separated over the years. Do they have the heater on?
I don't think so.
It smells like an electrical heater upstairs a little bit. All right, back to this little back room here. It's interesting they got kind of this back kitchen right next to the regular kitchen.